Hi students, welcome to Social Studies online classes. I hope all you are well. Today we are going to start our first chapter of Social Studies, our health. Before we start this chapter, let me explain the syllabus of ninth class, how it will divide into the paper 1 and paper 2. So dear ninth class students, here from the beginning chapter and up to 11th, then you can see the lessons belonging to the geography and economics. Geography and economics. Geography, who is the father of geography? Eratosthenes. The father of geography is Eratosthenes. Reminder for the future correspondence. The question may ask, who is the father of geography? Eratosthenes. Who is the father of economics? The father of economics, the father of ancient economics is Adam Smith. The father of modern economics is Samuelson. The father of ancient economics is Adam Smith. The father of ancient economics is Samuelson. So these are the geography and economics comes in the paper 1. Here the papers will divide 1 and 2. Up to 8th class what you studied there you are written, you are supposed to write one paper only. Like Telugu you have 2 papers, English you have 2 papers in 9th standard, and science you have 2 papers, physics and biology, and mathematics you have 2 papers, and even social also 2 papers. Like I am explaining here how the paper 1 and 2 divides into what syllabus it was divided, that we are discussing here. So paper 1 has geography and economics. Let's see paper 2, civics. So what is the meaning of civics? Civics means about human rights and about the conditions of the people and about constitution. Those things we will study in the civics. Who is the father of civics? The father of civics is Benjamin Franklin. Who is the father of civics? Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is the father of civics. History. So father of history is, you know very well that also I think. So father of history is Herodotus. Herodotus. So these are the things in geography. We can study about the mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, islands, earth, universe, planets. Those are things we will study in the geography. In economics, we study about agriculture of India, industries in India, and the development of the India, the ideas of development, and how the GDP rates, gross domestic products, and the industrial revolutions. Those are things which we studied in previous classes. Also, the things we will study here in the economics. Here also in 9th standard. Civics about human rights, constitution, polity. The things we study in the civics. In history, about past, we study in the history that you know very well. So these are the syllabus which comes, it divides into paper 1 and paper 2. Geography and economics comes in the paper 1, civics history comes in the paper 2. So this was the basic understanding phenomena of the 9th standard, where the paper 1 and paper 2 how it will divide. Let's we enter into our chapter with the title of our Earth. The word earth is divided from the language Greek. The word earth is divided from the language Greek. Iorto, the Greek word iorto, with that word the earth word was derived as earth. It means it has the different names Prithvi, Bhumi in Sanskrit, in Telugu it has a different names. After that into the various languages, but the word earth is derived language, Greek, that you want to remind. So let's see, on this earth, millions of the other animals live with us. So where we are living on this planet. Here comes the different types of the planets we can study, but we are living in the third planet of which is located in the universe. Let's see what are the planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. These are the planets. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 7 planets. We are discussing about the third planet, our Earth. So let's see into the details of this chapter. What we can study in this chapter. Let's see how to know what is the shape of the Earth. The shape of the Earth is spheroid. Spheroid, spherical shape of the Earth. A globe is a model of the Earth, but the model of Earth is not a globe. Globe is a model of the Earth, but the model of Earth is not globe. The shape of Earth is spheroid, spherical shape. Spherical shape. The Earth, the exact what is the shape of the Earth? If anybody asks you a question, what is the shape of the Earth, which means spheroid, spherical shape of the Earth, that you want to answer. So we can say, some people can say the shape of the Earth is like egg, some people can say the shape of the Earth is like bath, some people can say the shape of the Earth is like globe. It doesn't matter, it is completely wrong. The shape of the Earth is spheroid, spherical shape. So let's see the title of first title of this chapter, Our Universe, Sun and the Earth. From millions years ago, people are observing analysis. They are doing analysis on the space, about the space, about the stars, about the moon. But people want to know again and again more regarding from the space information to know about that. So we can see here different kinds of the categories where we can find into this chapter, where as we started this chapter today, to begin, our universal sun and the Earth, which comes here to give this theory about the information in universe, where the people are started investigating, analysis the different categories about the moon, stars, how they are appearing, how they are disappearing, how the moon is appearing every day. So these are the information which comes to understand in this chapter. Earth as a planetary body. Yes, of course, Earth has a planetary body, but it has the different shapes of the millions of the human beings, the millions of the in this universe, in this third planet Earth, millions of the people, millions of the creatures are living with the human beings. But let us see that we are doing a situation, where the each and every animal condition, the geographical information which comes in this chapter, the different types of the creature, their livelihoods, their habitual activities are different than the other creatures compared to like animals who used to live in the forest, tigers who used to live in the forest completely. They cannot live in the village. If they come in the village, we here in the villages has to go into the forest, villages need to run into the forest, into the different places. These are the situations that will happen when we can categorize and it can complete. So let's visit the same middle of this chapter. Earth as a planetary body, yes, Earth as a planetary body with millions of the creatures are living with human beings. The evolution of the Earth. The evolution of the Earth is categorized into the 3 parts. Figures you can see into your lessons, like the curved path, diagonal path, vertical path. These are the situational conditions. Images are given in this chapter, where it was evaluated into the 3 parts. Let's see the fourth title of this chapter, internal structure of the Earth. Internal structure of the Earth. What is the internal structure of the Earth? Earth has, suppose this was the Earth, This was the earth. We are discussing about the internal part of the earth, isn't it? Earth doesn't have the internal structure. No, earth has also internal structure. It has names. What is the names and what is the distance between the internal structure of like here example is given. The internal structure of the earth, the uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. The uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. Then second, the internal part of the earth is called mantle. The second layer of the earth is called mantle. The third, outer core and inner core. The third layer of the earth is outer core. Outer core, which means the third layer of the outer core and the completely ancient inner part of the earth. So see what is the distance between what is the gap between crust, mantle, core, outer core and inner core. Let's see. The distance between crust to mantle is 0 to 100 kilometers. The distance between crust to mantle is 100 kilometers. The distance between mantle to outer core is the distance between crust to mantle is 0 to 100 degrees. The mantle to outer core is 100 to 2900 kilometers. The outer core to inner core is 2900 kilometers to 5100 kilometers. The final distance of the outer core to inner core is 5100 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. The gap between crust to mantle is 0 to 100 degrees. Crust to mantle is 100 to 2900 kilometers. Mantle to outer core is 2900 kilometers to 5100 kilometers. Outer core to inner core is 5100 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. So this was the internal structure of the earth, where we can discuss in the next class about this chapter in the full of details. This was the introduction part of this chapter as we started our online classes. Thank you.